So let's go back to my blast, but not this one, but actually this one. And now with it needs to be selected. Okay. Let's make another or different selection, something like this. Shift right mouse button to accept. And now we need to make a change here. Okay. Let's say, yeah, that's it. Let's delete like that. Poly extrude stays well. So we can, let's see these two. Nothing. So let's just delete, select poly extrude. And now again, I just add two loops here and there. Subdivide's fine. This needs a little bit editing or just adjusting. Boom, voila. Again, UV flatten. Yeah, as you can see, all good. Here, yeah, there is a bit stretching here, but again, nothing that triplanar projection cannot resolve. And now we also need to go here now. Okay, so and double click. And this time we need this copy. Okay, or actually here we need to go here and make a simple transform as a control. We can bring this a bit down, this axis. Okay, so somewhere here will be just fine. Okay, and now just make it smaller. We can actually use our reference flag and see how things are changing. Well, not this. We need scale. And now we obviously need to also adjust these. Something is fishy here. Okay, nothing fishy. Okay, I see it. I'm looking this from the other side. Sorry, that's why I was confused what's happening. Again, let's see. Let me just pack an instance so that things are a bit smoother. And that's it. Now, if we have pack an instance on, it will not work, unfortunately, with Karma. Okay. So the last thing that's left is to add materials. Okay, this is not good. But why is that? I don't get it. Yeah, I need this. I don't understand what is happening. See? I had, I guess, one extra. Okay. This should be now fine. Yes. Perfect. Let's go to auto UV. It needs a little bit time to calculate, but it's fine. Again here. Sorry guys. And now let's make selection like this. And use H. Now that's perfect. Okay. And again, let's add white. Nice. Okay, let's do something. Let's not that. Let's copy these numbers. Let's try something now. Okay, and let's just press Q. Actually, you know what? Let's just do this. Another way to assign materials is through this menu. We need red. Okay, I actually want to put this to red just so that it's actually visible. Okay, let's go back. And okay, that's red. This is white, so I need to invert this. Okay, and voila. I mean, I don't know if you noticed what I did, but I used this selection and then just try to make, not try, but actually reactivated the group selector and just with Control E invert the selection, accept it, and boom, voila. Again, just yet another way of selecting things. Like selecting stuff in Houdini is really crazy, honestly. And that would be it. We have all materials ready. And yeah, pretty much we are ready to start rendering. So in the next few lessons, we're gonna do rendering in Solaris and Karma.